Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AZKA DIHFAN bin SAIDI, S50770, Bachelor of Applied Science in Fisheries, and my supervisor is Dr. MUZALINA binti MUSTAFA. Today I'm going to present review on water quality status in correlation with microalgae diversity and abundance in river area. River means water that move or flow through a ribbon-shaped body, and it will travel from high place to low place due to gravity. While when a body of water flows but it is smaller than a river, it will be called a stream, creek, or brook. A river can be varied in terms of shape, width, and even depth. This is the map for the river in the Malaysia. The river is divided into three zones, which is source zone, transfer zone, and accumulation zone. And it also can be called as upstream, middle stream, and downstream. Type of aquatic plant inhabit river ecosystem is usually such as algae, mosses, and submerged plant. Freshwater algae and moss growing underwater on rock and mud. For the free-floating plant is such as duckweed, mosquito fern, water hyacinth, and watermeal. And for submerged plant are rooted plant with flat seed or lean stem, and most of their vegetative mass is below the water surface. Type of animal that can be found in river ecosystem is, of course, fish are indeed known to inhabit the water either in river or in the sea. But besides fish, there are also other animals that live in the water, which is snail, worm, turtle, frog, invertebrate, mollusk, and more. In river system, there are many use of water such as agriculture and industry, drinking, transportation, food source, recreation and tourism purpose, mineral extraction, and lastly for the habitat of animal and aquatic plant. For the ecological importance of river ecosystem, it is important as primary producer and to produce oxygen and also to use the carbon dioxide in water and to stabilize sediment. Next is for the wastewater treatment, and lastly for the spawning and nursery ground for juvenile fishes and other aquatic organisms. Human activity in river and their impact to river ecosystem is, for example of human activity in river is such as deforestation, urbanization, and more. And the impact to river ecosystem is such as sedimentation, pollution, climate change, landscape change, and more. The problem statement is the human activity can affect the water quality and microalgae content in the river that can give problem to aquatic animal and plant. There are also lack of latest data obtained on water quality status with the microalgae diversity and abundance in river area. For the significance of study, the status of water quality in correlation with microalgae diversity and abundance are very important as the health indicator to assess the effect of rapid development in river area. The data obtained also in this study can be used as reference for researchers and Department of Fisheries to manage the fisheries activities in river in the future. Objective of this study is to review and analyze the water quality status in river area and also to assess the correlation of water quality with microalgae diversity and abundance in river area. There are three methods used for literature searching. Firstly is search strategy. I use database such as Science Direct, Google Scholar, ResearchGate, and SpringerLink, and the keyword used is microalgae abundance, water quality, microalgae diversity, and correlation of water quality and microalgae abundance. Next, the study selection is all the articles that search will be filtered out manually by screening the title and abstract. And then the data obtained will be organized particularly according to the water quality parameter, microalgae phylum, microalgae species of the name, and the year of the study. For the result and discussion, based on the Department of Environment, most of the river in the Malaysia are clean and not polluted, and intermediate for slightly polluted and low for the polluted from 2005 to 2012. Microalgae composition are important in determining the trophic level of river. Microalgae also used as indicator of water quality. Algae are known to be good indicator of pollution because algae have wide temporal and spatial distribution. Algae also have respond quickly to the change of the environment due to pollution. And also it is easy to detect and sample. And algae, the presence of algae are well correlated with particular type of pollution and more. This is the table of review paper result of microalgae distribution and water quality parameter for other countries. Based on the result that have been reviewed, the microalgae commonly found in river are from phylum Chlorophyta, which is the highest for 42%, followed by Cyanophyta 29%, and then Bacillariophyta 24%, and lastly Euglenophyta 5%. In the conclusion, 5 algae species were selected as indicator in the pollution in river in England. Stygioclonium tenue is present at the downstream margin of the heavily polluted part of river. Lischia palea and Gophronima pavellum always appear to be dominant in the mild polluted zone, while Cognis and Camasiphon are reported to occur in unpolluted part of the stream or in the riverified zone. Navicula accommoda is stressed to be a good indicator of sewage, as the species comfortably occur in the most heavily polluted zone. Amphora ovalis and Gerosigma antonantum are also introduced as good example of diatom to be affected by high organic content of water. Next is my reference, and that's all from me. Thank you.